Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add items to your vault. That could be password, your credit card details, or whatever it is. And we're going to do a test example right here. So whichever browser you're in, I'm using Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Once you have the 1Password, you can click on it and you'll be able to see the 1Password details. Now, you can add it from here or you can add it into your account. And I'm going to show you both examples. The first example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the 1Password website from here. As you can see my account, it says I can open and fill, and I'm going to do that while actually logging into my account as well. So you're going to see both ways. This is how the account looks, and you should be familiar with this when you create your 1Password account, because it's going to take you right into this page after you create your account. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up a new tab right here, which I don't necessarily have to do, but I just want to make it clean so that you can see what's going on. Click on 1Password again, and at the uppermost right, you'll have the option to create a new item. This is a plus. You click here, and you can go ahead and just basically, create something. Here you can see it says migrate data into 1Password. We're not going to do that, but we want to start with a new item. So we'll click this option here. And so I'm going to create, for example, a login details. So I'm going to say login, and it's going to now open up this new window where it's going to go ahead and of course allow me to really create it. So here you can see I can choose the option again to do login, enter the username. So I'm going to just say, just enter something right here, the password. I'm going to just say that, right? So let's say that is the password. The website, I'm going to leave the website as www.abc.com as an example. And so let's say that's it. Let's say that's all there is it. I don't need to add anything more, no notes. You can add location and all those different things. Tags you can do. But right now you can see here that it has all the details. Now to add the details to add this into the vault, you see by default it has the account or the account at the bottom selected, and it automatically adds this into the private vault. Now you can quickly change this to whatever you want by click the drop down and select whichever vault you want to add it in. So I'm going to add this into the test password vault, and now click and save. And really guys, that's it. That's how you can basically add items, password, whatever it is, into a vault on 1Password. Very easy and very simple.